Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. Today, I don't want to offer you a tech tip. Instead, I want to tell you about Larry the Computer Guy and why we are your best choice for IT support. So first, a little about me. I have a BS degree in accounting with minors in management and data processing. I'm considered a computer engineer. In 1986, I published my first software program, Telstar BBS, and went on to publish the client to connect to this bulletin board system. Back then, a BBS was used to work remotely, chat, converse, and transfer files. It is the forerunner to what we would now consider Windows Server or Linux Server. Part of this technology went into the building of the Internet as we now know it. I'm originally from Canada, and my dad, a minister, moved us here when I was 5. I became a U.S. citizen in 1978. I have a wife, 2 children, and 2 grandchildren. Before starting Larry the Computer Guy, I worked for several large corporations. The last company I worked for, I was the administrative systems manager for a large company with more than 150 employees. I was the person in charge of all the administrative things like IT, HR, payroll, accounting, and estimating. It was during my time there that I created my own company. I started the business under VHC Enterprises Vital Hardware Components in 1991, and we later added and trademarked the name Larry the Computer Guy. So what sets us apart from all other IT tech companies? We specialize in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. We guarantee 2 rings to a customer support technician, or your call is free. No legalese. We are so confident that you will like our service that we have a 100% satisfaction guaranteed, no questions asked policy. We are a Christian corporation. Our mission statement is, our mission is to partner with you, offer the best solutions for any problems that may arise, and to grow with you as you grow. We will demonstrate our integrity in our accounting, selling, management, and customer service products. We as a company will be a valuable asset to your business. We service all companies. What matters is that our integrity stands above all. So what else sets us apart from our competition? Each morning, before we start work, we pray for all businesses. We have daily morning meetings where we openly communicate about all business items so that all staff are aware of the daily challenges. We are a functioning team that our primary responsibility is to serve each other first and then ourselves. We also use the same approach with all our customers. You are the most important thing next to God, and we will serve you like we serve each other. We service all companies in size from 1 employee to 500. My unique background has given me a lot of insight into the business world. I am offering my personal consulting to each business that partners with us for free. Right now, times are scary for businesses. With Michigan still in partial lockdown, owners and executives just do not know what to do. I've personally been through several rough times, and I'm willing to help you get your business back online again for free. I've been asked on several occasions to be on the board of directors for consulting companies. I chose not to because of my beliefs that it is the little guy that needs the most help, and a lot of times they cannot afford the price of consulting companies. Business consulting is included for free when you partner with us. We know that as your business grows, we will grow also. So while we navigate these tough times, we can not only take care of your IT needs, but wouldn't it be nice to have someone else that has your back, where you can bounce ideas off of them and get an honest opinion? Try us and see for yourself. In Larry the Computer Guy, you have found someone as concerned about your company as you are. You see, money is what we need to live on, but family and community are the most important things during these times. Join our community and let's all work together to get through this mess and make our companies great once again. Thank you for your time, and we are dedicated to your success. If you're interested in finding out more about how we can serve you, give us a call, send us an email, respond here, and we will be in touch. Have a great day.